Hi everyone. Welcome to our new series of learning. Short is big. In this new series we shall make a very short video with big impact. So friends, let's start. Short is big. In this part we shall discover how to get copyright-free JPEG, PNG, and SVG images. Friends, the simplest way to get copyright-free images is to search on Google only. Yes, you heard right. You can get copyright-free images from Google. Now I'll explain how to get it. Search on Google for images. Now let's search for rainy day image for example. Now you will see so many images are appearing. Now click on Tools and go to Usage Rights tab. Now select Label for reuse. Now select any image which you want to use and simply download image. Same way we can search SVG also. For example, let's search bike, SVG. And you will see so many options. Let's select this blue one and download. Now let's see how it works in VideoScribe. As you see, it's working perfect. Further friends, you can visit FreePic and Free SVG websites also for free images. Hope you found this information useful. Finally, thanks for watching. Keep learning. Like, share and subscribe our video if you found useful. Thanks. Myra, Team TLC.